Humanoid robots may have just taken one giant metal bootstrap from science fiction showroom into the factory floor. And if you run a warehouse, factory, logistics operation or manufacturing business, this is one to watch. London-based Humanoid has partnered with Bosch to scale production of its HMND 01 robot. Now, this isn't a shiny robot waving awkwardly at people at a trade show. No, this is a wheeled humanoid robot with a torso, head, 2 arms and a proper industrial job, moving boxes. In a Bosch intralogistics facility in Germany, HMND 01 autonomously moves boxes from conveyors to trolleys. Different box sizes, different heights, different weights. Basically the sort of repetitive warehouse work humans don't exactly leap out of bed for. The real interesting bit is the business angle. Humanoid says its AI framework called Connect IQ helps manage the workflow. Bosch is now supporting production, supply chain, planning, reliability, serviceability and cost optimization. That matters because robotics is not won by building one impressive prototype. It's won by building robots that can be manufactured, deployed, maintained, updated and trusted on a busy Monday morning when the line absolutely must keep moving. And there's more. Humanoid has also signed a phased agreement with Schaeffler to deploy robots into live manufacturing operations, with first systems expected in Germany before the end of 2026. The payload targets are practical too. Around £22 total for the Alpha robot, moving towards £44 total for the future versions. That is not a superhuman strength, that is a useful strength. For businesses, this is where humanoid robotics, industrial automation, robots as a service, AI robotics and physical AI start becoming commercially practical. I'm RoboPhil. Subscribe for daily robotics news, robotics insights and practical automation ideas that actually mean business.